When someone pays as much as $10,000 to $15,000 to have a fixed denture put in their mouth, you're saying, well, what does that mean? When I buy a car, do I have to pay for the muffler? You know, the beauty of this is that the maintenance and the follow-up, as long as you're coming in for your cleanings and your examination, we're going to cover that. We're going to cover that guarantee for anywhere from 3 to 5 years, depending on if we see you, and we'll make sure that your prosthesis works. We're going to ask you, as we first put this denture in, that we'll see you 3 or 4 times until the denture fits properly and you're comfortable. But we're going to ask you on a regular routine basis. The minimum is 6 months. We may have you in more than that, but we will have you back in and check your prosthesis, check your implants, and make sure things are healing and functioning properly. If there's any problems with those, we'll make you aware of them at the time. You may be more aware of that than we will when you come in, but we want you to come in. That'll all be included in the prosthesis and the cost of that, and we'll do the follow-up with you as we need to. There are times that because of the nature of how bad your teeth are, we'll put a number of implants in that are mini, and we'll fix them. And at one point, because your healing process is not happening, we'll come back and add some more implants. That will be included under those fees. So you know that whatever we do, whether we have to do the denture over or a remake or things aren't just right, that will be included in your fee.